Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has a beautiful ang kueh with me today, red snapper, hong ji. I have the tendency to buy about 1.2 kg plus minus fish and then ask the seller to butterfly cut for me. So it actually one fish will become 2 pieces. So this is half of the pieces from head to tail, the butterfly cut it. Then of course you make few sticks on the fish body and a few pieces of ginger. So why I asked the seller to butterfly cut for it? Because for my family, I have 3 adults and 1 kid. Usually about the fish, somewhere around 600 grams would be good enough for us, okay? So then I have some spring onion here, sliced spring onion for garnishing later. So make sure after you slice it, you soak it under cold water so that it can actually curl up. This will be the main thing which I'm going to use to make the steamed fish sauce. This is actually a combination between fried garlic and also fried ginger, premium light soy sauce. Very easy to prep the fish. Make few slits on the fish body, sprinkle a little bit of fine salt, and then few pieces of ginger on top. So I'm going to steam the fish, normal steam, increase the steam, 100 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to steam the fish for approximately 10 minutes. And let's preheat the steamer. Right, once your steamer has been preheated, then you put in the fish in the middle, steam it for about 10 minutes. Quickly, we'll go and make the super simple steamed fish sauce. All right, so I have 1 small bowl of hot water here. I'm not going to cook the steamed fish sauce, so I use hot water. Few rounds of light soy sauce, premium light soy sauce, and some of the fried ginger and garlic oil. All right, so our steamed fish sauce is ready, but later I'm still going to add some fried ginger and garlic onto the fish itself. Right, so this is after 10 minutes. Wow, wow. Ooh, the fish looks so good. Let me show you. See how beautiful it is. And it has a lot of steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. We are going to pour away the steamed fish water, okay? Here's the fish. I've removed the steamed fish water and also the ginger, okay? So next thing, I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Spring onion, fried garlic, and also fried ginger. You must try this. You can use it for fish, you can use it for chicken. Very nice. Seriously. All right, done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.